Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember, if you like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country boss, that's for you. I don't want people to think I'm making fun of the retarded. It's just a joke with me and country boss. Country girl, you MIA. You're missing in action, baby. 306, you're missing in action. You see what I'm saying? Silent, you're kind of missing in action too, but nuclear us, you don't know who me I talk. See me I say? Yeah. Yo. Look at the screen in front of you. Trinidad biggest hustler get slapped where? In a crazy way, dog. Me have to shake my head. Yo. Me have the video, the clip, and me nah lie. By the time I count to 30, me no want to tell a lie, 35, the man them run in and run out, dog. That's how quick you can get. That's right. There are certain things about Trinidad and the man them were kinda, it's very disturbing. Very disturbing. Yo, me and me couldn't watch that clip here. And then we are gonna come back and talk a little about it. But yo, the man them at Trinidad, dog, and lack of loyalty. But we are gonna examine it. Just watch this clip. Now, when you look on the video, I count to 40, from 1 to 40, and the man them run in and run out. You see the man them drive up in the silver car like our Mazda, and the boy them run in, and then you have a youth run out. You understand? Look what the man them a do. Look on that. Look on that. The man them go so boom, drive up, run in, know exactly where them a go, and run out back within 40 seconds. I count from 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in the police report, them say the man them say robbery. That don't look like any robbery to me. And the youth here, I want hustler. Like him a do him thing. You don't know, like me say, Trinidad in a Venezuela and them thing, the neighborhood, Guyana and the whole of them place there. On the south side, you can look right over Venezuela. So the youth here probably have them fishing boat and link with certain man and man. But him no look like him a do nobody nothing. The youth here one young youth. Like him a do him thing. And don't know how to move. You understand? But the way how the man them deal with him in a 40 seconds, them, if you notice, the car driver let out the man them and do a 3-point and turn around. The boy in the black on the left side, him look like him nearly get all touching up by a female, cause the boy in the red stay so. Brah, brah, brah. Yo, the man them, me have to lick a shot for this, Jano, for real. Me have to lick a shot. One more shot, yo. Them think of them alone have machine, eh? Me a lick one more. Them youth here in a Trinidad, dangerous, yo. Let's move on. Now, the youth here named Jason Sankar. Me never really go in him name and them thing there, so me I deal with it now. Yo, them say I want a Trinidad biggest hustler. And the news media paint the youth here in a crazy way, but really and truly there's nothing behind his name. The only thing we can come up behind him, the man deposit 99,000, nearly 100 grand, just say 100 grand in our bank account. And the police them I try seize it. That are the biggest thing I see in him name. With him out there. More than him probably I do him little thing. Yo. The man them at Trinidad. I tell you something. The man them are king of rich badness. When it come to rich badness, that are the only terminology we can use to describe them man, yo. In a way, it's sociopathic because the man them dog in less than 40, I count from 1, 2, 3. And if you don't believe me, you can do it too. And the man them run in, run out. The police them say, the man them say, it was a hold up car, I carry the man in bridge in them a play. There is nothing in this guy's background to say he might take her like Suki do one and Mice man a straight thief. You see what I say? Mice man them a thief. And them friend a kill them out. But the youth here, them a hate for him. Straight up. Let's move on. Yo, me try everything. All of my contacts them. Do mad research. And I still can't find nothing in that youth here background. The youth here one young youth. We have him links them. And I do him thing and I step up. But me I tell you something. Me I tell you something. And you should have know this. You see when somebody get fling where or somebody close to them. You see what I say? If you notice the man them just pull up, drive in, so them been there, them do them scoping, them have them driver. You understand? The man them know say, no man no dead so. If he retaliate. You see what I say? No man no dead. I just carry the youth a play with him friend them. Now, all the man them pull up, you know say somebody game where. That's why I'm telling you. I keep on telling you, that you feel watch, you friend them. Enough of my bridging them F me up, You understand? Enough of them thing them me go through. I could have get fling well like enough of them you there. But me watch my friend them. You understand? Now, like I say, wanna see. So it tells me somebody know he was there. Know that he was playing cards. And the man them know how easy it is for coming from 1 to 40. And him gone. It no look like him have no big bag of crew around him. Because one thing with Trinidad, The man them no respect nobody. No care if you are done. Look how much done dead at Trinidad. Soup Deo, him a done, him dead. Well, I'm woman killing. Mike man, son man. And the list goes on and on and on and on till the break of dawn. The man them told me in a rapper, dog. A joke. The man them no respect nobody. Trinidad them, it no matter if you are done. The man them a go fling you away. The man them a go find something for pin pan you. Just like Jamaica. The only difference is Trinidad man them a deal with more rich badness. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. And guess what? I keep on forgetting. I have set up my Patreon page. Yay! Me have to lick a shot for that. Me have to lick a shot for the Patreon page, dog. I'm gonna set it up finally. And yo, me not even know if I put on it. I put one video with Pastor Kevin, way more name. But yeah, me set up the Patreon page where me can bring certain hardcore thing where me can put on YouTube. You see what I'm saying? Lick a shot for that. One more shot. So, yeah, the Patreon page there, and like me say, let me know what's up, or me can structure it, work with me. Yo, everybody, Countryman love you know, and the youth here, Jano. Me feel it for him, dog. Me just wish if him did take more precaution. You understand? It's when you make money and you do certain things, you can't even trust your own shadow. Enough time me open my door now, and my shadow scare the hell out of me. You hear me? My shadow scare the hell out of me. All one time my girlfriend say, yo, I want to your Countryman. And I say, Jano, I open my door and I see a shadow, and my shadow. So, when you do certain things, I saw you off a program. My name is Countryman. Like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button. And drop some comment. I'm out. Peace.